Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. You are welcome once again to my channel. Today I'll be preparing some spicy and hot oven baked chicken. So let's get right to the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
The first thing I'll be doing is to clean my chicken. I always like to use fresh lemon, so I'm going to wash it very well with lukewarm water, and then I'm also going to wash my peppers and my onions. For this recipe I'm using hard chicken, but you can use any chicken of your choice.
Wastelands through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So I'm going to cut my chicken. As you can see in the video, it's not totally cut. I'm just like opening the chicken. You can use skinless chicken if you want, but I like mine with the skin. And then I'm going to add it into the warm water and allow it to cook for about 35 minutes on low medium heat. The chicken is already done cooking, and I'm going to start making my sauce. But first of all, I'm going to blend all my onions and peppers, and I'm going to add it into the pot. I will add my Maggi cube, and then I'm going to add my peanut paste and my tomato paste, and I'm going to stir it very well and allow it to fry for 5 minutes on low medium heat. The sauce have been cooking for almost 5 minutes now, so I'm going to add my chicken stock, and then I'm also going to add my lemon juice, and I'm going to stir it very well and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes on low medium heat. The sauce is already done cooking, so I'm going to add it onto my chicken. If you want, you can add more chicken stock, but I like mine like this. And then I'm going to set the chicken onto a baking tray and then put it into the oven and allow it to bake for 20 minutes.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Trust me guys, you can also prepare this sauce without the pepper and it will taste very delicious.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Our hot and spicy oven baked chicken is ready. Enjoy!